Today, we're creating a Halloween themed text reveal using one of CapCut's spookiest animations, Laughing Spell. Let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut. From the bottom toolbar, tap Text and then tap Add Text. Type in your Halloween title, something like Spooky Night, Haunted House, or Halloween Special. Next, go to the Font tab and choose a style that fits the Halloween vibe. Gothic, bold, rough, or scribbled fonts usually work great for horror themed edits. Now, tap the Animation tab. Inside the In section, scroll until you find the animation called Laughing Spell. Tap it, and instantly your text gets a creepy magical reveal, perfect for horror or spooky themed videos. Below the preview, you'll find the duration slider. Sliding right makes the reveal slower and creepier. Sliding left makes it snappier and more energetic. Adjust until it matches the mood of your project. And that's it. You've created a Halloween text reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed CapCut mobile editing guides.